Guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen. So today's video is for slow cooker beef goulash. It's really hard to beat a good stew on a cold winter's day. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take a frying pan and we spray some oil into it. We put this on a medium-high heat and then we add our beef. Give the beef a couple of minutes mixed round, just let it get brown crusty, ready to go back into the slow cooker. As you can see, our beef has formed a nice crust, so we're going to pop it into the slow cooker. Now if you're getting benefit from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now, so we add our caraway seeds to our pan. Same pan we cooked the beef in. Then we add our red wine. Bring this to the boil. Give it a stir round. And pop that into the slow cooker as well. Make sure you get all the caraway seeds out of the pan. Then we're going to add our vegetables. We add some sliced onion, some sliced pepper. I use yellow, but you can use whichever you have. Some sliced carrots, washed and peeled. And then a tin of chopped tomatoes. Now we're going to add some tomato paste, tomato puree. Some Worcestershire sauce. Some mixed herbs. Quite a bit of sweet paprika. This is what gives it its tangy flavour. As you can see, my dog in the background has come in. Now I'm going to add some beef stock. Give this a good stir. Make sure everything's covered in the tomatoes, tomato puree. Make sure all the herbs are brought in. Then we pop the lid on, put it on low for 8 hours or high for 4 hours. About 30 minutes before you serve it, take the lid off, just give it a stir. Just let the sauce thicken up. And now we're ready to serve our beef goulash. So I'm serving my beef goulash on some boiled rice. I have plenty of beef, steaming hot paprika flavour, and then we just top it with a little bit of natural yogurt just to cool it down a touch. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and as always, thanks for watching and I hope to see you on my next video.